Hey everyone, today we try to understand pie charts. One of the crucial chart but not often used in actual analytics where you just wanted to do a descriptive analytics, but uh, sometimes those are more effective. Yeah, but we'll still cover this pie chart. So when do you use a pie chart? We usually use a pie chart when you want to compare parts of a single data series to the whole. Yeah. For example, compare how many new customers were acquired through different marketing channels. Yes. So suppose you have 100 customers that you have acquired, but you want to know which channel have contributed to how many customers, then you may use a pie chart. Yes. So how do you use it? So suppose out of the total expenses, I have a data of expenses where I want to know how much expenses contribute to the total expenses, which expenses contribute to the total expenses. So this is the data that I have. I have selected the data. Let's insert the chart. Yes, this is showing me percentage of expenses per month to the kind of expenses. But this is not the right chart. Line chart is not a right chart to depict part to whole. Whereas line chart is used to, as you remember, it is used to show data over a time series. Yes. So we'll try to use a pie chart, which is available here. There are three types of pie charts that we'll try to cover in this session. First is a normal pie chart. Yes. Second is the donut pie chart. And third is a 3D pie chart. So it's nothing but a 3D version of the normal pie chart that we have. So let's use the first, that is pie chart. There's a normal pie chart. You can see the entire percentage. And from a look itself, I will be able to understand, okay, uh, rent is the maximum contributor to the total expenses that I have done in percentage wise. Same food is the second, utilities probably car is the one which, or no, miscellaneous are the 15%. So this is what the third has. Yes. So this is how you can understand which percentage or which part of the setup is perfect. Now in pie chart, if you go to customize, there are certain options which are addition, like donut hole. If you want a hole, the donut chart that you have seen, you can create in a pie chart by increasing the hole. Yeah. So I'm increasing the hole and making it 0%. That makes it a normal pie chart. If I increase the hole, it will become a donut chart. We'll see while putting the donut chart as well. If you want the border to be colored, you can do it that way. So these are other options rather than the one which we have seen earlier. That's why I'm showing this slice. You want to label it. So you can label the slice. If you want the value, you can put the value in it. Value and percentage both. If you want to put, you can do that. Right now I'm putting it none. If you want to label the font, okay, I'll just label, then you say what kind of font that you want to have. Yes, and the color as such. I'll just close this pie chart, pie slice. Now, how do you want to the slice to be? So suppose I have food as one of the slice and I want it to be shown separately from this entire pie. How do I do this? So distance from the center. So if I say 50%, it will just move out the pie from other slices to show that it's something different. So this is how you show emphasis on a particular portion to your audience. Yeah, if you want them to concentrate on a particular part. Yes. So this is pie slice. Chart axis, again, you know what chart axes are. legends. So pie chart and pie slice are the addition to the previous setup and or customized thing that we have seen. So that's why I try to take you into the customize option and show you these two options. Yes. Let me take one more data about, suppose I have a feedback about my course from my audience and I want to put it in a pie. So I take the data, I'll select the data, I'll say chart. It is showing it in the form of a bar chart. This is also relevant. Like this could be shown in a form of a bar chart, but I want to show as a whole how much percentage. So that's why I'll be using a pie chart. Yeah. So this is how you show a pie chart. Understood? Next that we would like to see is the donut chart. Yes. Now, when do you use a donut chart? Donut chart would you would use when you want to compare contributions from parts of one or more data series to the whole. Now it's the same as pie chart, only there is a hole in between which shows the it shows to be a different view as such. Yeah. Now another thing that you need to remember is pie chart usually do not show or they do not show negative or zero. Yeah. So if there are any zero or negative value, it do not show up on the pie chart because we are showing the things in a form of a percentage. So let's see donut chart right now. So I select the data, I go to insert, I'll go to chart, yeah, and I'll select the chart type as donut chart. Yes. This is again because of, as I said earlier, if you go to customize, here you have the pie chart in which we have the donut hole. It is set to 50%. If I make it 0%, it will become a normal pie chart, as we have shown earlier. So if there is a hole in between, it looks like a donut. That's why we call it a donut chart. Yeah, clear? Now, the next chart we are going to see is a 3D chart. Either you make this two chart as 3D chart. How you can do this? Go to the chart, go to customize, mark it as 3D. So it becomes a 3D chart. You see how it has been customized here? Same way you can do it for donut. You can make it as 3D. It will look like a 3D chart. So there is nothing different. The chart is the same. The pie chart is the same. The only thing is that the difference between them, either you customize it to make it a 3D chart or make it a donut chart, or you use the insert chart options, yes, or select the chart type which you find better for your presentation. Yes. So all these three charts can be prepared using the customize options from the edit chart. Yes. When you go to customize, either you make it 3D or from the pie chart, you increase the hole between the of the donut to show it as a donut chart. Hope this helps you to create some beautiful charts. Thank you so much.